Namaste. I'm your friend Rishika Khare and welcome to Calligraphy with Rishika. Today, Garvita Didi will be joining us on board. Her expertise is in theatres. So, ma'am, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, first of all, very happy to be here. And Rishika here has, really convinced me to do this. So I'm very happy. And I'm an actor. Um, I've done TV shows, so you might know me through that. And other than that, I am also an MBA. So I've done my studies, which is very important, kids. And then I've become an actor.
Yes, surely we've watched you on camera showcasing, featuring on Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai.
Correct.
So, without wasting any time, let's start with the first session of the video, which is career modeling. So, we all know what the profession is, but we only know about the profession on camera. So, what goes behind the camera? Can you describe it?
Behind the camera, like any other profession, there's a lot of hard work. So you have to prepare your lines, you have to understand camera angles, you have to understand lighting, you have to understand your character. So like any other profession, there's a lot of hard work. You have to do your homework before you reach the set. You have to understand everything. So कोई भी profession हो, चाहे वो acting हो या कोई भी profession हो, I think there's a lot of hard work. And like I feel acting people don't understand um, as much as they understand any other profession. बट एक्टिंग में यही है कि ऐसे ही सेट पे पहुंच जाने से तो नहीं हो जाएगा। आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि आप क्या कर रहे हो। जब आप कोई चीज समझ के करोगे तो बेटर करोगे, राइट? तो वैसे
Like, what are the two requirements if for somebody who's preparing to become an actor?
requirements, I think you need confidence, and I think you need, and I think very good emotional quotient according to me, because to understand any character you need an EQ. You need to understand what's on the script and what's between the lines also. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज दिस इज अ प्रोफेशन वेर इन यूल फेस अ लॉट ऑफ सेटबैक्स। बहुत टाइम लगेगा। हाँ, तो डेफिनेटली पेशेंस ऑल्सो, पेशेंस इज ऑल्सो मच needed when you want to become an actor.
And like, how do you enter this profession? Like, for example, corporate sectors, we all know that like we get into it by, getting yourself a job and applying to jobs and giving interviews. How do we get into like acting?
ऑडिशनिंग, आई थिंक द वर्ड इज लाइक इंटरव्यूज देते हैं जॉब्स में, यहाँ यू ऑडिशन। बट द थिंग इज कि सी वही होता है, you never know when you will crack an audition. So like I said, there's a lot of patience that's needed. कभी कभार बहुत जल्दी क्रैक हो जाएगा, कभी कभी it will take time. So patience is a virtue that you really need as an actor. And बहुत सारे मीडियम्स होते हैं, कभी कभी थिएटर भी लोग करते हैं. So there's theater acting, there's camera acting, there's TV, there's OTT, then there's films. So बहुत कुछ है, बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, एड्स हैं. तो आपको बस समझना है कि आप किस तरह की एक्टिंग करना चाहते हो. और ऑनेस्टली बहुत कुछ, it actually depends on किस्मत also. There's a lot of destiny also that कब आपका ऑडिशन कैसे क्रैक होता है. Sometimes a lot of talented people don't get in. मतलब it takes time. But अगर आप कुछ बहुत मेहनत करो और आप डट के करते रहो, तो आई एम श्योर इट विल वर्क आउट.
And like, what is up with this success goals? So like, in again, taking example from corporate, the success there is प्रमोशन मिलना, राइट? तो ऐसी एक्टिंग में हाउ डू डिनोट सक्सेस?
एक्चुअली में वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन है, वेरी स्मार्ट यू आर. डिनोट सक्सेस, आई थिंक कोई पैरामीटर नहीं है. हो सकता है किसी के लिए सिर्फ कैमरा के सामने आ जाना सक्सेस है. हो सकता है किसी का सपना हो कि नहीं, मुझे तो फिल्म ही करनी है, मुझे तो इन डायरेक्टर के साथ, इस प्रोडक्शन हाउस के साथ ही फिल्म करनी है. तो देयर इज नो पैरामीटर. एंड आई थिंक इन लाइफ ऑल्सो देयर इज नो पैरामीटर. देयर कुड बी समबडी इन कॉर्पोरेट हु इज डूइंग एक सैलरी पे जॉब एंड ही इज हैप्पी, समबडी हु वांट्स टू बी द सीईओ ओनली. सो सक्सेस तो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करती है, मतलब आप क्या चाहते हो, व्हाट डू यू वांट फ्रॉम योर लाइफ. सो इफ यू आर हैप्पी बीइंग अ यूट्यूबर, That's success, right? And if you want to be, no, no, I want to be 1 million subscribers wala YouTuber only, then that's success. I think there's no parameter as such. I don't believe in parameters. It's only what you want and the standards that you have set for yourself.
So why do you recommend, and like, firstly, do you even recommend this to the upcoming generation? And
I
if
don't
yes,
recommend
like why?
anything. I think you should really follow your heart. And I think आने वाली जनरेशन तो बहुत बोल्ड है, बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट है. तो जो भी आप लोग चाहो, just do it. It could be, there are so many ways. There's YouTube, there's Instagram, there are so many mediums. Like the world is a stage for you. You want to be a sportsman, you be that. You want to get into acting, modeling, you want to get into a corporate job. I think it's very important to study. The only thing I recommend is studying because it's very important. That's the only thing I'll ever recommend to anybody your age. I think studying lays a very strong foundation, and trust me, no matter what field you're in, if you know how to talk, if you know your if you practically know, uh like for example, in YouTube also you have to understand, you study insights na, आपको matrix समझने पड़ते हैं. So if you don't have any knowledge, if you have not studied well, how will you understand reach, insights, all of that? It's studying, right? So basically study, have a strong foundation, at least be a graduate, if not a postgraduate. Graduation tak to is very important. And sometimes I see कि 12th के बाद people just are like कि नहीं नहीं हमें नहीं पढ़ना है, हमें कुछ creative करना है. That's nice, but at least have a graduation because आगे जाके लोग आपका फायदा उठा लेंगे अगर आपको अपना business नहीं पता है. And that's a fact.
And like, how do you see this profession molding in the next 10 years?
I think in the last 10 years it has evolved so much, so I'm sure it will evolve. And then who's writing your questions? Do you write your own questions or mama is writing it? Because what? कितने genius questions are. This is the smartest interview I've given ever.
I write my own questions.
You're so smart. You're so smart.
Thank
I see it evolving. देखो last 10 years से अभी तक में do you see पहले सिर्फ टीवी और फिल्म्स होता था, अब OTT आ गया है. So mediums evolve होंगे. Then I see a shift towards vertical, which is basically Insta पे, all these short series YouTube पे. So I definitely see that. I definitely see more opportunities because अब एक्टिंग करने के लिए आपको एक्चुअली में ऑडिशन भी क्रैक करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. If you think you can act, you can just put your own camera, have your own script and act. So I think in that terms, I see acting becoming more accessible to everybody.
And like, any special tips or suggestions for people preparing to become an actor?
Um, देखो कुछ चीज फैंसी लगती है इसलिए मत करो. I think acting is a craft, and I really believe, and I'm also trying to learn, and I will learn every day of for the rest of my life. बट मैं बस ये बोलूँ कि कोई चीज, इट्स नॉट ऑल ग्लिटर एंड ग्लैम. इट्स नॉट कि ओ मीडिया विल फॉलो मी, मेरे इतने फॉलोअर्स होंगे, मुझे सब जानेंगे. इट्स नॉट जस्ट दैट, इट्स लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. देर आर टू मेनी टफ सिचुएशंस दैट यू हैव टू बी इन. So there's a very dark reality of it as well. So before you decide any profession, be it acting or anything, just be very, I would say, do your homework and just know what you're getting into. So सिर्फ चमक धमक के लिए किसी चीज में मत घुसो.
Okay, so that's a great advice. And like, that's the end of the first session with a great advice. So, well, please welcome the second session of the video, which is my journey of me. So, like, tell me, how, like, did you start working towards it? And like, what was the first audition you gave, and what was like the first show you worked in?
The first show that I worked in was मैं हूँ अपराजिता for Zee TV. That's a very special show for me because that was the first time I got to face camera. I learned so much, but I was not as good. And you learn with every show. Uh, the first audition I gave was probably some ad or some reality show. I don't really remember, but I would say I had given like four, not a lot, but like 4 or 5 auditions before Aprajita, and then Aprajita happened very quickly for me, and I'm very lucky in that way. Um, but the journey after that, it's not just getting into something. They say there's this very good book that you should read, by the way. It's called The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, and it's a book that I read when I was your age. And it says every game begins with beginner's luck, which means कि शुरू में किस्मत चलती है, but बाद में you have to do your hard work. So I would say अगर शुरू में किस्मत चल भी गई तो बाद में बहुत hard work करके I've reached where I am today.
When did you start preparing for like,
Hmm.
getting into acting? Like when did you got convinced and what attracted you also? But
है ना?
what was the time
Hmm.
when you thought, okay, ठीक है, अब पढ़ाई हो गई? Because you mentioned you did MBA, right? So
तो
you
मैं बचपन से एक्टिंग कर अच्छा सॉरी 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 हाँ बोलो बोलो
नहीं, you can go ahead.
नहीं नहीं मैं कह रही थी मैं बचपन से एक्टिंग करना चाहती थी दैट इज फॉर श्योर बट लाइक आई सेड मुझे मैं पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छी थी माय पेरेंट्स आल्सो वांटेड मी टू स्टडी सो फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम आई वाज जस्ट लाइक दिस इज अ सेफर रूट आई शुड डू दिस बट देन even after doing a job, even after my MBA, I was not never. I feel I was never really truly happy, and my heart was seeking something else. And like I said, you should do what your heart wants. So I wanted to give it a try, and I'm so glad I tried. And हो सकता है that मैं fail हो जाती, and that's okay. I could have just gone back to my job because I had a plan B. So बच्चों always have a plan B. Like अगर मेरी job मेरा plan B था, then I could have done that today also. In fact, let's say tomorrow something doesn't work out, at least I have a degree, at least I can start somewhere. I mean, it's going to be tough, but I can. So I think I'm just a person who's not a blind risk taker. I like my options and I like to be safe. But I wanted to be an actor so badly that even after studying, even after getting a very good job, very good salary, I tried. So sometimes you just have to take your risk, but take a calculated risk, is what I'm saying.
So like, was being an actor your dream, an actress your dream when you were 10 years old?
When I was even 4 years old, even 3 years old, when I didn't even know becoming an actor was a thing, you'll see me dancing. I really enjoyed performing. I would go to my dad's office and perform. मैं घर में भी सबके लिए डांस करके दिखाती थी. That was like my thing. So that was I like performing. And then when I understood what being an actor is, then I wanted to be an actor, but it always seemed very difficult because from I the my in my family there was nobody दूर दूर तक जो एक्टर हो तो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था बट देन like I said, the heart wants what it wants, and then if it's meant to happen, it will happen.
Whom did you look up to?
In life, I always look up to my mom because she's very hardworking. But if you are talking in terms of
Career choices and everything.
career, I would say, see, my dad is a CA. He was also very hardworking. My mom's, even though she's a housewife, I think she's the most hardworking woman I've ever seen. So that discipline comes from there. But as actors, बचपन में I used to love कभी खुशी कभी गम. So I used to watch everybody in that film, be it Kajol, Kareena, Shahrukh, Hrithik, and I used to be like, मुझे actor बनना है. I think that's the first कीड़ा ever because I used to watch that movie on repeat. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था नहीं नहीं मुझे भी I want to do a Karan Johar movie and all that. बहुत actors हैं. I mean, there's of course फिर we grew up. Then Ranbir Kapoor was there, Alia Bhatt is there. All of these actors I've looked up to because I was in school when Alia made her debut. So all of that is there. बट ऐसा कोई पर्टिकुलर एक्टर नहीं है जिसकी वजह से मैं इंडस्ट्री में आई हूँ बट इट्स जस्ट प्योरली द लव फॉर सिनेमा लाइक फॉर like on the big screen when you see yourself. I think that got me here. And I also love TV, by the way. There are so many TV shows that I would watch. तो मुझे टीवी से भी बहुत प्यार था, ऐसी बात नहीं है. लाइक there are 2-3 shows. इस प्यार को क्या नाम दूँ, ससुराल, गेंदा फूल. I would watch these shows on repeat and I used to love these shows. मुझे लगता था कितने प्यारे shows है, मुझे ऐसा शो करना है.
So like, can you ever, did you ever like thought of replicating someone?
No, you can't replicate someone, and that's wrong. You should be yourself in life also, and as an actor also.
So what is one thing which got you attracted?
Like I said, the love for cinema. वो जो that जब आप कोई मूवी देखते हो, you feel so much, you laugh, you cry, those emotions. I think that really attracted me. That if I can, I am Garbita, but if I can play an Aditi, an Anjali, like a Nia, a Ruhi, मैं कितनी lives जी सकती हूँ. And then मैं किसी को कुछ feel करवा सकती हूँ. कोई मुझे देख के रोए हंसे. I really like that feeling. Like I enjoy performing.
And like, if you remember, can you tell us the first movie you ever watched?
कभी खुशी कभी गम. वही मैंने आपको
First
बताया.
movie
कभी
you
खुशी
ever
कभी.
watched?
I was a kid. I was not even. I was. मैं बहुत छोटी थी, मतलब मैं 2 या 3 साल की होंगी, मुझे तब भी याद है। पर 2 या 3 तो नहीं, मतलब आई थिंक नर्सरी में थी या केजी में थी, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर बिकॉज अगेन मैं बहुत छोटी थी, बट आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर दैट एज अ कोर मेमोरी, लाइक वॉचिंग कभी खुशी कभी गम एवरी संडे ऑन माई कंप्यूटर.
So what was like the biggest challenge in this uh, journey of yours?
The biggest challenge I think was taking that risk and not knowing how to reach here. But then now that I've reached here, then there are different set of challenges. It could be like आपको कैसे तरह के रोल करने हैं, क्या आपको जैसे रोल करने हैं वो आपको मिलेंगे, lot of things, and everybody faces that. But I think the biggest challenge is always getting somewhere. So I think it was coming to Bombay, but now that I'm here, abhi it's all good.
So what was your parents' reaction when you told them that I am a successful actress now?
I've never told them I'm a successful actress because again, parameters for success, like we discussed, are different. So for me, Abhi, I don't think I've met my parents yet. And I'm happy because that means that there's a journey to look forward to. But I would say my parents were very, very happy. And पहले मैंने उन्हें नहीं बताया because मुझे लगा था वो टेंशन लेंगे. And I could, because I was old enough to, take care of myself. So I did it and then I told them when मेरा show start हो गया था. So then they were happy because then they could see something concrete. Otherwise they would have thought क्या करोगी, कैसे बॉम्बे जाओगी. So sometimes you don't want to worry your parents, but then I hope you're adult enough. Like don't do it as kids, but when you're adult enough, you can take some choices, some smart choices, careful choices.
So last question, how important is it to know English in this field?
It's not important. मतलब it is good because mostly एक्चुअली इट इज, टू बी ऑनेस्ट इट इज बिकॉज बहुत लोग आपसे इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे, बट ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जो इंग्लिश नहीं भी जानते हैं एंड उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. लाइक मेरी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है और मैं इस बात से काफी खुश हूँ कि मेरी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है बिकॉज इन टीवी स्पेशली हिंदी अच्छा होना ज्यादा जरूरी है. बट येस, वेन यू मीट पीपल that are educated, that are more, very more proficient with English, then you might feel कि ओ मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती. तो आप हिंदी को उस तरह से कैरी कीजिए, बट हाँ, इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर टू नो. इट्स बेटर टू नो अ लॉट ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस. इट्स गुड टू नो मराठी ऑल्सो इन बॉम्बे, राइट? गुजराती, जितनी लैंग्वेजेस आती हैं उतना अच्छा है, बट हाँ, मैं समझती हूँ कि इंग्लिश ना आना कभी कभार आपको थोड़ा सा अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट फील करवा सकता है. तो यू कैन वर्क ऑन इट. सो मेनी पीपल दैट कम फ्रॉम, लाइक आई हैव अ फ्रेंड हु केम फ्रॉम हिमाचल, उसकी हिंदी अच्छी नहीं है एंड एवरी डे ही वर्क्स ऑन हिज हिंदी. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट, अगर आप सच में चाहते हैं तो आप अपनी इंग्लिश पे भी वर्क कर सकते हैं.
So that's the end of the second session. It's time for the second rapid fire of the whole show. Before this, we featured a rapid fire in Romit Raj's video, which was a big success. So we are looking forward for some crazy and fun answers from your side as well. So the
Okay, I'm
fir-
ready.
so the rules are you'll have 10 seconds per question for the first 5 questions, and for the next 5, you will only have 5 seconds. So be ready to answer quick as the lightning, I
What
guess.
do I get?
Huh?
मिलेगा क्या मुझे? मिलेगा क्या?
You get a token of love.
Really? You're a token of love. How smart. आजकल के बच्चे. चलो बताओ.
So the rapid fire begins. Who is your favorite co-actor?
रोमित.
One director you would love to work with.
इम्तियाज अली.
One foreign director you would love to work with.
क्रिस्टोफर नोलन.
A reality show you would love to be a part in.
ट्रेटर्स.
One Indian drama serial which you would love to do.
इट्स अ शो कॉल्ड इस प्यार को क्या नाम दूं, जो नहीं है, अब बंद हो गया है, बट बेसिकली गुल खान, इफ एवर शी मेक्स अ शो लाइक दैट, आई वुड लव टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट.
One past movie you would love to be a part of.
पास्ट मूवी.
Yeah,
जब वी मेट.
the unit. One
जब वी मेट और uh, ये जवानी है दीवानी.
that's a great movie. Even I love it that one.
दोनों इम्तियाज अली सी. और आशिकी 2. आई लव मोहित सूरी सर ऑल्सो.
Okay, so your favorite director?
Uh, uh, Indian films or TV?
No, no.
Films, right? Films, like I said, I think Imtiaz Ali sir, then there's Mohit Suri ji, and I love everybody. Please give me work.
One actress you would love to meet.
Actress, Kareena Kapoor. She's
One,
my favorite.
she's even my favorite. I
See,
love
I said, I told you, कभी खुशी कभी गम से मुझे उनसे प्यार है.
them. Okay, so one more question was, what is your favorite movie? But I think it's quite obvious.
Uh,
It's Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
Correct. Favorite movie will always be कभी खुशी कभी गम because that made me fall in love with cinema.
One cartoon character you think describes you.
Cartoon. I'm just a cartoon in general, but Pikachu.
Your first cartoon you ever watched.
First, I used to watch Scooby Doo, Dexter, Scooby Doo. I think first was that.
Okay.
And Pokemon also I used to love.
Can you repeat?
Pokemon, but first was Scooby Doo, but I used to love Pokemon.
If you were not if you were not playing the same role in Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, so what other roles you could have played, according to you?
In the same show,
Haha, in the same show.
I think I was made for Ruhi, and I would never trade it for anything. Ruhi only. I would play it every time.
If you could change your name like most actresses do, what would it be?
Never. I will never change my name. I love my name. Garvita Sadhwani. क्या power है नाम में boss. कभी change नहीं करूंगी. And such a different name. I don't know any other Garvita.
Oh, one of my friends'
नहीं है.
mother is named Garvita.
No, no. As an actor, actress. There are no actresses.
Yeah.
जिनका नाम गर्विता हो.
One fashion show you watch.
I don't. I don't watch fashion shows. But I'm sure Lakme Fashion Week, New York Fashion Week, they are very inspiring. I love the Victoria's Secret fashion walk that they put on YouTube. That is very nice. With Kendall.
One Netflix show you've binged watch.
So many. Money Heist, Stranger Things. Right now I'm watching some K-dramas. But बहुत सारे हैं, बहुत सारे.
So that's the end of the rapid fire as well as the video. It's hard to say goodbye after having such a nice chat. But
Oh.
but even good times come to end, right? So that's what we'll say for the interview. And I loved to connect. And I think some audience members and me as well, I'm inclined to be an actress, be an actress, and but
You want to be an actor?
one day maybe I guess.
You should try. You're very talented, and I just wanted to say that like when I came into the interview, I didn't know what to expect, but you're so smart, and I think this is one of the smartest interviews, and I swear to God that I've ever given. You're so smart and you're so talented. If not an actor, you should definitely pursue YouTube and being an interviewer and podcast. Aajkal you see Raj Shamani, you see Pure Biceps, they're doing so well. So please go forward and do this. And this is awesome. And I think you should set up a place and do this. आप सच में बहुत अच्छा हो, सच्ची बोल रही हो. Just do it and follow your dreams, and just of course do it with your parents' permission.
Thank you, Didi. It was good. It is so great hearing from such a powerful person about you. Very thank you, Didi. And this channel is till here, like wherever it is because of great people like you who have given interviews to me. So
You put it, I'll share it for sure, and I hope your channel grows bigger and bigger. And I'm so happy I did this, and I know बहुत सारे महीनों से you have chased me, and I'm so glad you did, and I think that is so good. I was a little busy, and then I forgot only. But ठीक है, अच्छी बात है that we did this, and keep it up, keep it up.
thank you. This is your friend Tarushika signing off. Any closing remarks, Didi?
Lots of love to everyone that's watching. Please follow Rushika Khare. She's doing a fab job, and yeah, I hope you get a lot more people and you invite a lot more people. That's it.
तो आज तो गर्विता दी ने बोला है तो आज तो सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा.
Please subscribe. Yeah, please subscribe and like and share Rushika's videos and subscribe to her channel.
Thank you to you as well, दीदी.